Okay, so today we're going to put the eggs into our incubator, which we've got the Harris Farms Nurture Right 360 for our incubator. It holds 12 to 22 eggs. We've got 20 eggs. They should all fit in here. But before we get into that, last night I came in to check and make sure that all of our eggs were okay. And we had one. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that, but this one is cracked pretty good. It's not focusing. There's a crack on the top here, and it's cracked pretty much all throughout, so we're not going to be able to use this one. So we're just going to set that to the side. Then I'll show you, see if I can show you one. So then we've got this one. It's the light's on in here, so it's kind of hard to see, but this one looks really good. There's no cracks in it or anything like that, just to show the difference. Alright. And so we're just gonna... So we've got our humidity level between 50 and 55% for the first 18 days, and our temperature is set at 99.5 degrees for incubation. On day 18, we'll go ahead and bump up the humidity to 60 to 70%. But today we're just gonna put our eggs in the incubator and get them started. So let's go ahead and take the top off the incubator and start putting the eggs in. And I apologize for you not being able to see much. I'm in a very tight space. So then we're just going to take our eggs and we're just going to lay them here, and I'll grab the camera and show you after I get them all in. Just set these over here. Sorry for being all up in the camera. Okay, so let's see. Alright, you can kind of see them in there from here. But there's all of our eggs in the incubator. And they all look kind of similar, but we do have the 3 different breeds in here. We've got blue Orpingtons, the lavender Orpingtons, and the barred rocks in here. So we're just going to get our lid back on so that our temperature and humidity can go back up. And I'm gonna reset our incubator. It has a day counter on it, and it's been running for a couple of days just to get it up to temperature, so there's gonna be a loud beep. Alright, we'll just check our day counter. And it's on 21 days. It takes 21 days for chicken eggs to incubate and hatch out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to let these guys sit for about a week to 10 days. And then I'm going to come back in here and we're going to candle our eggs. And what that means is, you saw me hold the light under the egg. We're going to do that again, and we're going to check to see if there's any chicks growing in our eggs. And the ones that are developing we'll keep in here. And at that point, if there are any that aren't developing, or maybe started developing and then stopped, we'll go ahead and remove those so that they don't go bad in the incubator and cause a big old mess. So I will see you in 7 to 10 days.